Okay, so this is super exciting for me. We're doing a rolling pin and we're sticking with today's wintry theme by doing snowflake design. So Cameron has laid this all out and tested it and used his wizardry for his mathematical skills, multiplying things by pi. I don't know. It's all foreign to me, Greek to me, esoteric to me, but you know, he's got it going on. So we are about to start. And this is obviously loaded on the rotary tool. You ready, honey? Okay. Is laser on? I'm gonna, yeah, it's noticing that he did the design beyond the, so he laid out the design to go a little bit beyond the edges here, and the reason for that is so that there's not a crease or a line in the dough that you would roll out for cookies or pie crust or whatever you would use this for. And we're going for a really deep engrave so that when the dough puffs up, it will behave and you'll still be able to really make out your cookie design, you know, the snowflakes, and they won't be all distorted. So there are also some tricks with dough that you have to kind of do. It's definitely on the edge. Oh, what's wrong?
I just screwed myself up.
Oh, there you go. You just fell. Oh, you're definitely off. Okay. Sorry, folks. Okay. All right, so he's doing some double checking. Yeah, that ran off there.
Okay, let's try it.
All right. So this is the first rolling pin we've ever done. So maybe it'll turn out and maybe it won't. I don't know. But we're about to find out. So as you can see, we're using the raster, R-A-S-T-E-R, way of engraving these snowflakes. I'm not sure this is going to be deep enough just looking at it, so we might have to run another pass. We did a little like diamond design in between the actual snowflakes. So that's what you're seeing come up now. It looks shallow to me. You sure you're at 70%? Yeah? Okay. Well, I think we're definitely gonna have to do another pass. I don't know if you want to stop now and go back and crank it to 100 or oh, okay. So you don't want to increase the power, you just want to slow it down? Yeah, it's definitely going to be too shallow. Okay. Alright, so that means we're going to have to run this twice. So I will pick this back up when we're about done with the second pass. But you can see kind of what's happening here. Maybe I'll let this roll just a little bit longer so you can see the snowflake a little bit, or snowflakes. But yeah, that's definitely, I think that's more shallow than the maple with the rubber stamps. I'm almost positive. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to go again. Okay, folks, we'll be back.